Hey everybody, we're here this morning with Tat Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates. Good morning, Tat.
Morning.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks so much for having me.
Well, we have a faulty door that you're going to show us how you can make better, more energy efficient, work better, function better, and have a longer life.
Yeah, this family moved in about 4 years ago.
Okay.
And it seems like when they moved in, this door was just changed out. There was a problem with water coming in.
Okay.
And there was the door started a little bit of deterioration. So they wanted to replace it just as they moved in. And now here we are 4 years later, and they're experiencing the exact same problem.
Okay, so there's some kind of issue back here that has to be resolved.
Yeah, there's definitely the way the water can come in off the roof right above the door could cause a bit of a problem, and how the water, the rains that we get in Florida can address the door. It's a problem. So there's definitely a problem with the frame, the threshold, and the type of door that was installed.
Okay, so what's going to happen with this door? This one's going away.
We're removing that entire door. We're going to remove the frame, the threshold, examine the opening, replace any rotten or damaged lumber, which obviously there will be with all the water that came in. Put in new frame, new threshold, and a new door. And the door the family selected is from Custom Window Systems, and it's going to carry a lifetime warranty against any fading, discoloring, any water infiltration, or any damage to the door. So if anything were to happen in the future, they're fully guaranteed for as long as they live in the home.
And in addition to that, there's going to be some added security with this because of the type of glass that goes in the door that is going to replace this one.
Yeah, this family selected, they have young children, and they wanted something, this being the rear of the home, they wanted something also that would protect them from security. So they're going to go with like a security type glass, which has a vinyl inner layer in between the glass, so that no one can break in. It'll add that additional layer of security, especially to the back of the home.